Hi family, so today I'm going to show you how to buy your items from the Shein app. So when you go to the Shein app, you just type what you need, for example, pink top. So all you will need to do is to scroll down to search all the pink tops that will be suggested to you as I'm doing. So whilst you are scrolling down, you might also want to check the prices. Okay, so look at this price tag where I circled it. Just tap on it and it will start to show you the lowest price for pink tops. You see? Yes, so look at the lowest price. Starts from €2.99 and then you can scroll up till you find what you are looking for. Once you are done finding what you are looking for, you have to check the reviews. Okay, for example, I chose this top, so it comes in about 5 different colors: the black, the pink, the white, and so on. So you check the reviews and then the pictures to see if you like it before you buy it. So this is why I was checking the reviews for you guys. This is exactly how you should do. This video is for people who are in Africa. They comment on my videos a lot, make videos for how to buy things from Shein. So you read the reviews and when you are convinced, you just choose your size. Some of the items you need to read the description. Some of the items you need to size up or down. For example, if you are size L, you should buy an M, or if you are an M, you should buy size L. So when you pick what you want, then you go to checkout. That's down there, checkout, okay? So when you go to checkout, then you put your payment option. They will show you so many. I don't know the payment option for people in Nigeria or Ghana, but you have to choose your payment option and then you just add your address and then you are good to go. This is so simple. And also I forgot to show you that every day you need to sign up. When you enter the Shein app, there's a part that you check in, and this check in, when you check in continuously for Monday to Sunday, you're going to be getting some bonuses, and these bonuses is going to help you to get cheaper stuff like discounts. For example, if everything sums up to €10, you're going to get it like €6 or €5. So make sure you check in every day, and then so I'll show watch till the end to see how you will check in to collect all the discount and the bonuses. Okay, this is the check-in. You go to me where your photo is, and then this is the check-in, the congratulations, the points. You gather all the points for you gather all the points, and it helps to reduce the prices. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye.